I know you want to make money online and it's the perfect time to make money. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and a content creator. So in this tutorial, I will show you a lead generation and data entry project where you can earn money from Upwork doing freelancing job, and I will show you the step-by-step tutorials. So it's gonna help you a lot. And this is my channel Raihan Rifat, and you will find some awesome data entry live project tutorials where you're gonna learn lots of things, and it's pretty simple work, and I explained step by step. And what you need, just need you a computer and your internet connection, and wherever you are in working at home or office or other places, so you can work anywhere and you will be your own boss. So right now I am in the Upwork profile, and the job title is lead generation and data entry, and posted 21 hours ago. And this is the job description. I will explain it later. And the fixed price is $10. Forget about it. I always say that because it's just your starting price, and it may increase definitely day by day after you will getting lots of experience. And this kind of project you will get not only $10, you will earn hundreds, thousands dollars. Okay, and skills and expertise: lead generation, data entry, data mining, Microsoft Excel, prospect list building. So I will explain each and every part, so don't worry about it. So before jumping into the video, I will clear one thing that some of you guys asked me that I don't have any tech skills. Can I work from home using Fiverr, Upwork or other platform like freelancing? Okay, my answer is definitely you can, and you don't need to any high tech skill because it's pretty simple work. It's a lead generation and data entry work, so you can work like copy paste, data mining, web research. So you must have a basic knowledge, web research and website and the data. Okay, so let's get started. So alright, so before starting any project, you must have to understand the requirements first, and you have to check the buyer details, like the buyer from United States, and the job posted is 130 job posted. Hire rate is very fantastic. Okay, so it's a total virtual assistant data entry job, and you can apply on this job like apply now. Here you can see the apply now button. You can apply now. Let's read out it. I need the preschool information. Okay, so it's a terms preschool information: school name, address, person name, person email, contact number and LinkedIn. All the given requirements need from the USA. Okay, so our location is USA and industry is preschool, and information that we have to provide into a Google spreadsheet, either a Google or Microsoft Excel. Okay, so these are the information that we have to find, and the location is USA, preschool's information, and it's pretty simple work. I will show you the step how we can do this. So first of all, we have to create a Google spreadsheet, and as you know what is Google spreadsheet, so you have to create a Google spreadsheet and give a name, like give a name lead generation and data entry, copy and paste, and just give your Google spreadsheet name. And we have to organize this spreadsheet according to the buyer requirements. So first of all, we have to copy this school name, and we have put it as a first column name. It's a school name, and the rest of the fields will be the according to our data, like address. And next is person name. That's mean the contact person name. It could be the CEO, founder, or the principal or head teacher. Okay, person email address. It could be this personal email address or their business email address. Okay, then contact number. That's mean the phone number, obviously, and it would be their school phone number, because a person phone number is pretty much tough to find that. That's why we have to provide company phone number. And LinkedIn should be the person. So our first step is done. That's mean our spreadsheet is ready, and we have to find the preschool. Okay, so if you are a beginner and if you don't know what is preschool means, so you have to search on Google. It's a school category, and a preschool also known as nursery school, pre-primary school, play school. So if you got that, it will help you to find the schools. Okay, so multiple ways you can find preschool information, such as in Google search, like LinkedIn. Okay, so I will show you first the Google search how you can find the preschool results. Okay, So our location is USA, so I already searched preschool LinkedIn in California, USA. That's mean Google should be given is preschool LinkedIn, official LinkedIn or teacher's LinkedIn. That's why. And scroll down, you will get lots of preschool teacher name and also the school official LinkedIn page. And let's open this LinkedIn, Big Future, and also the Lyric Preschool. This is the Eva, and this is Eva educator and Big Future preschool teacher and the director at Lyric Preschool. Okay, so let's find their email address. And here you can see the Kendo tools. It's a free email finding tools, best one. I have used lots of time. And here you can see the email address. So let's click on get info, and it will come up the email address also here, and you can just click on copy it from here. Okay, so let's wait. So this one is verified. Here you can see the blue signal. So just click on it, copy and paste it here. Person email address and also the LinkedIn profile. Let's grab her LinkedIn profile. So let's grab her full name, copy and paste, person name. Okay, so we have left address, school name and contact number. Okay, so let's find their Big Future school website. So first of all, we have to find in Google. So let's, okay, so here you can see Big Future Preschool. It's a school name and website. We have to find the website, and here you can go the school website. Just click on contact us page. We can find their phone number and address as well as. So obviously we have to find each and every school website because we have to find addresses. Okay, here you can see the California addresses and also the telephone number. So let's grab the address and paste it here, and we have to find the phone number as well as, and this is the phone number, and it's a official phone number, contact number. So here you can see we have to increase this section and let's correct it. Okay, perfect. So this is the first one, and here you can see the another one is our Cruise Tom. So let's grab her LinkedIn profile and then then the email address, get info. So make sure that email address is verified, and if you don't get any email address, so we don't get this person, or we have to remove this and find another person. Okay, just copy and paste full name, and let's find their website. That's mean preschool website. So it could be their preschool website. Here you can go and you can find their FAQ section. Okay, so let's open their main website, Lyric Preschool, and we can find into the contact page. Okay, and here you can see the phone number. Okay, so you scroll down and check it from here. So here you can see their phone number, and also you can see the above the address as well as. So just copy and paste, and address is here. Okay, grab the address and paste it here, and also you have to find the name like the preschool and like the Lyric, and copy then paste the school name. Here you can go. So this is how you have to find the preschool information according to our buyer requirements. So this is how we have to complete this spreadsheet, and finally when we done, we have to download this spreadsheet. Either we can show the link to the directly buyer, and we can download it and CSV file or PDF or Excel, so you can provide your buyer. Okay, so this is how we have to work and we have to finish, and according to the buyer requirements we have to find all the information and make sure that email address and their address, name, LinkedIn is accurate. And I hope you guys learned how we can work this kind of data entry project. And after finishing this, if your buyer is happy, so maybe your buyer gonna hire you for a long time, and you have a good opportunity to make a huge number of money. So it's a great opportunity for you guys. If you want to work as a freelancer, it would be great if you start doing data entry, simple copy paste job or finding the web information. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another tutorial, so you're gonna learn. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.